Hello everyone, welcome all. Today I'll be going to show you a Java program which will print an arrow-like pattern. As you can see here in the problem statement, so this is the output we need to print. For this, we'll write the code in this compiler. We just search on Google online Java compiler, and first when we are opening and writing the code here. So let's start. Before writing anything, I just go and analyze the output, like how we need pattern to be printed. If you see here, the first line, one star is there, second, two, and so on till fifth line. So on fifth row, we can see five stars are there. So after this fifth row, if I observe this pattern, the code is getting reverted till one. So we just divide coding our coding into two parts, and we'll write the code for this part first. So as I can see here, there are five rows. So as we know, if we write outer for loop, which will print rows for us, and if we need five rows to be printed, we have to initialize first for loop with 1 till I less than equal to 5. As we want our for loop to run till 5 iteration, I'll just take one int type variable which will be initialized with 5, and I'll just say n here. So it's nothing but the same, and we'll increment I with I plus plus. So with this loop, we'll get 5 rows, but in each row, we need to print stars equals to the row number. Like first row, 1 star, second row, 2 star, third row, 3 stars, and so on till here. So I just write one inner loop which will print columns for us. And here I just write for, I'll initialize this for with 1 and give the condition j less than equals to I. So I will be here our row number. So for first row, first time, like only one time this loop will run, and for second, two times, and so on. We'll do j plus plus. Inside this, we have to print system dot out dot print and start. So if you have watched my previous video, we have covered this this code for printing star triangle. So as we are aware, this for loop will print star in one row, and to move on to next row, we have to write system dot out dot print again outside this inner for loop. So this will move to the next line, and our first part will be done. We'll just run this code and we'll see the output. So if you could see, our first part is completed. I'll just write here first part, and now we just have to print 5 star on 6th row if we consider from here, and then 4 star on 7th row, and so on. So if we say like if we consider, we just have to print this pattern, and this is our first row. So we'll say like on first row we need 5 star. So I'll just copy this code, because to print rows and columns we need again two for loops. I'll just say second part with just minimal changes. So we will be able to print our row inverted triangle. As you all knows, like this will print the rows, and if you see here, sixth row, if we consider from here, as we need the 6 stars to get printed, we need, sorry, 5 stars to get printed, we need n here, or we need 5 here in second or inner for loop. Sorry, this is just the first part. In the second part here, we'll need 5. So how we'll get 5 here? If we initialize outer for loop with n initially, we'll keep this I. So this n will be 5, and this inner for loop will run 5 times. So we'll just change something here, like we'll just change the condition I greater than equal to 1, and instead of I plus plus, I'll just say I minus minus. So if you see here, j will run till 5 first time, so 5 star will get printed. So we'll just write here if I equals to 5 initially, then in that case j will run 5 times. J will be 1 initially, the condition will be true, star get printed till j plus plus, till j becomes 6, it will get printed, and then it will go to next line. Once it will go to next line, I minus minus, so it will become 4, and then this inner for loop will run 4 times, so 4 star will be printed on next line, and so on. So let's just try running the code. See, complete pattern got printed. So with just inverting the conditions in first for loop, we got the inverted triangle here. So I have utilized same code, just change the conditions of for. So that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching the video and giving your precious time. We will meet in next video. Thanks.